Wireframe to high-fidelity design in one click sound impossible, right? UX Pilot just released 4 game-changing features. Today I'm demonstrating one-click wireframe to high-fidelity design, import from UX Pilot to Figma with auto layout, improved AI edit, and export from Figma to UX Pilot. You will see live demos of each feature, including how one wireframe becomes completely different design using various design systems. These updates will save you hours every week. Let's jump in. Okay, let's start by seeing the features that you can take wireframe and convert it to high fidelity design with one click. First of all, let's generate a wireframe. I'm in UX Pilot. We will create a task application. I click here on the gear icon. You can see the page settings. Task Manager is an app designed to help users track, understand, and manage meetings and daily tasks. Let's close. I select wireframes, standard model. Here, let's change to mobile app. And on context, you can see here the app connect to your calendar and to-do list to help you keep track meetings, tasks, and deadlines as they happen. And I will ask you to create the dashboard screen that display upcoming meetings, tasks, and deadlines in user-friendly layout, sidebar close. Let's click on update context. I verify that the deep design is on, and let's click on generate. This is the page UX Pilot created for us. I make zoom in. We have the header, search bar, upcoming meetings, today tasks, upcoming deadlines, and also the bottom menu. Now let's assume that I like this design and I want to convert this design to high fidelity. I select the screen, I click on generate high fidelity. This is basically the new feature UX Pilot added. Here I can select the model and I have a simple prompt that added by default. First of all, let's generate the default one, and then I will show you how you can apply different design styles to this wireframe. I click on generate. Okay, this is the design it's created for us. Let's move it one moment. Now we can see the wireframe and the design it's created for us. Let's zoom in. We can see that we had the header, the today. I don't know why here I don't see the header we had before. This is maybe a bug, but okay. We have the search. We have the upcoming meetings. You can see the differences. Today task, upcoming deadlines, and also the bottom menu. Again, here I see there is one bug. I cannot see the bottom menu here, but I believe the team will fix it as soon as possible. Okay, we have this design, but sometimes you want to add different design style to the wireframe to see what styles work better for the application. So how we do it? I make zoom out, I select the wireframe, click on generate high fidelity, and here I will select another model. Let's select Neo Brutalist. And if you're new to UX Pilot, to put it simple, the model means a design system. There is some models by default, and there is some models you can add by yourself. If you're interested to add your model, or in simple words, your design system, I will add a link below so you can take a look. I have a tutorial about that. Okay, now we have this prompt. I delete this prompt and I will paste another prompt, add the style of this model, keep the same elements, but with the visual design of the Neo Brutalist model. So as you can see here, I changed the prompt to be more simple. I make a connection between the model I selected and the information in the prompt, Neo Brutalist model, and here I selected the Neo Brutalist. I click on generate and now we generate the new screen. Let's put it side by side. In the meantime, it's work. Let's create another style. Again, I select the wireframe, click on generate high fidelity. Let's select the model. I will select Fractal design system. Eliminate the default prompt. It's finished the design, but one moment we will take a look on that. I select the text No Brutalist and paste Fractal design system model. So the model in the prompt, it's the same as we have in the selector. I click on generate, and just before we continue, if you like UX Pilot and want to test it, I will leave a link in the description below. Now let's back. It's finished the work with the Fractal design system. You can see it here. Let's zoom into the Brutalist design system. We have the header, the search bar, upcoming meetings, today's tasks, upcoming deadlines, and also the bottom menu. Here you can see the Fractal design system. We have the header, search bar, upcoming meetings, today's tasks, and upcoming deadlines, and also the bottom menu. I did zoom out, and basically you can see the differences from the wireframe to the first design, to the Neo Brutalist design, and also the last design we did with Fractal design system. This is a great way to move from wireframe to different styles of design, especially if you work on an agency or you build new application, so we can get feeling on how we want to design this application. So this was the first feature, and the next feature is a feature that many people wanted to see. I know it because many people ask me it on the comments, and if you have questions, this is the moment to say that if you have one, just drop down and I will respond you. The next feature is auto layout while you import from UX Pilot to Figma. It is a beta feature, but let's see how it works. I select one screen, click on Save to Figma. Now let's move to Figma. I'm in Figma, open the UX Pilot plugin, click on Retrieve in Figma, and here you can see render settings. If I click on it, you see we have two options. The first one is render at viewport center. So basically what it does is add the screen in the center of Figma page. And the second one, it's used auto layout. You can see that is in beta, but if you want to use it, just check this checkbox. I close it. Here I have the design we created in UX Pilot. Let's import it. Amazing. Let's close the plugin. You can see that I need to fix some stuff here. It sometimes happens, but if I go here down, for example, I select the menu element, you can see the auto layout is applied automatically. Now I must say that this feature is in beta, and it's very notable that not always it's work 100%, but I'm very happy that UX Pilot added this feature because it's make the process much more faster, so you don't need to create the auto layout by yourself, because after import you will get it automatically. But I must say it again, that is in beta, it's not work always 100%, so be patient with that, but I believe when it's go out from beta it will work much better. But for now we have a starting point. There are two more features that I want to show. The first one is very interesting. It's to take a design we have in Figma and import it to UX Pilot. And the second one is the advanced edit option. Let's move here to page 1. I am here with this simple application. This is an icon BNB application that I created. It doesn't matter now how this application works. I want to show how to take this design and import it to UX Pilot. So it's very easy to do. I select the page, click on the menu, open the UX Pilot plugin, and when the plugin open, I click on Export to Web and select the UX Pilot page I want to import this design. In our case, it will be 45 UX Pilot new features. I click on Export Screen to Web, and now I click on Go to Page, and you can see the design I had in Figma now in UX Pilot. So now I can iterate in UX Pilot with the design I import from Figma. Let's make a simple test. I select the page, click on Edit, and here I have Global Design Section Editor or Text Edit. Let's click on Global Edit, and here on Global Edit, I will select No Brutalist Design. I paste this prompt that we used before, add the style of this model, keep the same elements, but with the visual design of the Neo Brutalist model. Now you ask what is the difference between what we did before and now. Basically, before we take a wireframe and convert it to high fidelity design. But if you have high fidelity design and you want to make changes, you can do it also. You click on Global Edit, select the design system you want to use, and add this prompt. I click on Generate. It's finished the work, but let me explain you another thing. I click one moment on Global Edit. Before this update, we was not able to select different design model. You can make changes only with a prompt, but now you can select a different model to make the changes. I close this one. Let's zoom in, and you can see the differences. Here I miss a little bit of margin button, but okay, it is possible to change it after that. This is the new design. This is the old design, and you can see how I take the design from Figma and change the visual design with one click. Imagine how long it will take you if you want to make this change in Figma. You cannot do it with one click. You need to go element by element and make the change. But now with UX Pilot, you can do it. So this is all for this video. And just to close it, we saw 4 features. The first one, change the design from wireframe to high fidelity. And I show how we did it with different design systems. The second one is the auto layout, that now you can export from UX Pilot and import in Figma design you created in UX Pilot and get it with auto layout. Just remember, it is in beta, so it's not work still 100%, but we have the first step. The first feature we saw is how to take design we created in Figma and export it to UX Pilot. And the last feature was the advanced edit feature, that now you can select high fidelity and make changes not only by prompt, but also with adding another design style from the selector. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.